Today we'll be going over the operating instructions for the MI SARD72 Tabletop Dispenser. Let's get started. First, plug in the machine and turn on the main power switch located on the back. Next, we'll load the tape. Place the tape on the rear rollers and position the tape guides on each side of the roll. Feed a small section of the tape and adhere it to the metal feed-out roller. This dispenser offers 3 dispensing methods, first being manual dispensing mode. In this mode, the user can dispense tape by pressing and holding the feed-down arrow button to the desired length. Once that length is reached, release the feed button and press the cut function button. Next is semi-automatic dispensing mode. Press the mode select button once to switch to this mode. Both indicator lights will illuminate. In this mode, the user sets their desired dispensing length using the arrow keys. Once set, the user can repeatedly dispense the preset tape length by pressing the cut function button. Lastly, there's the automatic dispensing mode. Press the mode select button once more to switch to the automatic mode. Like in the previous dispensing mode, the user will set their desired tape length using the arrow keys. Once set, the machine will dispense the preset tape length every time the user removes the previously dispensed tape. Thanks for watching.